Regional Office, Mr. Ed Amante, who is representing the Regional Director, and Mr. Miguel Trinuela. We have also officials from the Department of Energy, from the Central Office, led by Mr. Antonio Nabo. Na-mention na ni Vice ang mga names, so I will not go over, no? And Mr. Alexander Loinas of the CCAAP, and our representative from the DepEd, Ms. Cecil Alcantara. We also have members of the academe, students, members of media, barangay captains, barangay officials, and all the other guests this morning. Maayong yun nga aga. I would like to ask, what is the significance of November 8 in the lives of the Filipinos? Ang makasabat, may libre nga pamahaw. Yes? Okay. Okay, today is the commemoration of the Yolanda, anong itawag na sina? Yolanda incident in Leyte. Okay. Many of the remarks we heard when Yolanda struck Leyte was that maskin wala lang tani isang tubig, maskin wala lang tani isang pagkaon, kung may suka. I think you will agree with me that power and electricity is very important in the lives of Filipinos. For students, do maano gina sila kung maay sa kuryente nga hindi sila maka-charge sa ilang mga cellphones. Because to them, the cell phone is their link to their friends, to their boyfriends, to their schools, to their significant others, to their BFF, whatever. No? Okay. So, as we can see, November 8 is not only the commemoration of the incident in Leyte of the Yolanda super typhoon which struck the country. It is also a reminder to us that without light,